The Ford Fiesta may be gone, but don't be sad. Its replacement might just win your heart all over again. When Ford decided to discontinue the Fiesta, a small car beloved by millions around the world, fans were left wondering what could possibly take its place. The answer came in the form of the Ford Puma, a compact crossover that combines everyday practicality, fun-to-drive performance, and modern technology. And now, for 2025, the Ford Puma is back with exciting updates that aim to make it even more appealing. If you're into modern car tech, the 2025 Puma has a lot to offer. One of the biggest upgrades is the brand new 12-inch touchscreen powered by Ford's latest Sync 4 system. It's faster, smoother, and more intuitive, perfect for drivers who love staying connected on the road. However, the climate controls have now been moved into the touchscreen, and that might not sit well with everyone, especially those who prefer the convenience of physical buttons. Ford didn't stop there. The Puma also now features a sharp 12.8-inch digital driver display that shows important driving information more clearly and with less distraction. The redesigned steering wheel might look a little unusual at first glance, but it actually feels quite comfortable and user-friendly when you're behind the wheel. Inside, the Puma continues to impress with clever use of space. While the dashboard and center console still use some hard plastics, Ford makes up for it with smart design choices and practical storage solutions. The trunk holds 456 liters of cargo, perfect for daily errands, and expands to a generous 1,216 liters when you fold the rear seats. One standout feature is the Mega Box, an innovative storage area located beneath the trunk floor, complete with a drain plug. It's perfect for carrying wet gear, muddy boots, or anything messy without ruining the car's interior. The exterior design hasn't changed dramatically, but there are some nice updates, like a repositioned Ford badge, new color choices, and updated wheel designs. These small tweaks help keep the Puma looking fresh and modern. Under the hood, the Puma continues to use Ford's popular 1.0-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine. It comes in two power levels, 123 and 153 horsepower, so drivers can choose the version that best suits their needs. Although the high-performance 197 horsepower Puma ST is no longer offered, Ford has introduced the ST PowerShift variant, which delivers a respectable 168 horsepower and pairs it with a smooth 7-speed automatic transmission. It's still a fun car to drive, with enough punch for daily commutes and weekend adventures. Ford offers the 2025 Puma in 4 trim levels: Titanium, ST-Line, ST-Line X, and the sportier ST. The starting price is around £25,800. Even the base model is nicely equipped, featuring dual digital displays, alloy wheels, LED lighting, and selectable drive modes. The ST-Line trim adds a more aggressive look, while the ST-Line X gives you premium upgrades like a powered tailgate and wireless charging. For those who want something truly sporty, the ST trim adds bold styling and performance-focused seats.